Hello, everyone. Welcome to Real English, the podcast where we learn English together in a fun and easy way.
Hi everyone, I'm Jake and I'm learning English just like you.
And I'm Emily, your teacher and guide. Today, we have a very exciting topic for you.
Yes. Today we're going to talk about being lost in New York City.
That's right. We'll learn how to ask for directions. We'll learn how to understand answers. And we'll learn how to stay calm when you don't know where you are.
This is really useful. I get lost all the time.
Don't worry, Jake. By the end of today's episode, you'll feel more confident. And if you enjoy our podcast, don't forget to subscribe. Please share it with your friends who are learning English too.
Yes, please share it. It really helps us.
Okay, Jake. Let's start with a simple question. Have you ever been lost?
Oh yes. Many times. It's scary.
It can be scary, yes. But it's okay. Everyone gets lost sometimes. The important thing is knowing what to say.
Right? So what do I say first?
Good question. First, you need to get someone's attention. You can say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me.
Perfect. Now, listeners, let's practice together. Say it with us. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Great. Excuse me is very polite. You use it when you want to talk to someone you don't know.
Okay. So I say excuse me first. Then what?
Then you ask your question. A simple question is, "Can you help me?"
Can you help me?
Excellent. Let's practice again, everyone. Repeat after Jake. Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Beautiful. So now you have two phrases. Excuse me and can you help me? Let's put them together.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Perfect. Now you sound polite and clear.
That's easy. But what if I want to ask where something is?
Great question, Jake. You can say, "Where is," and then say the place. For example, "Where is the subway?"
Where is the subway?
Yes. Or you can say, "Where is Times Square?"
Where is Times Square?
Exactly. Let's practice, everyone. Say with us, "Where is the subway?" Now let's try another one. Say, "Where is the museum?"
Where is the museum?
Excellent work. So, Jake, imagine you're in New York City right now. You're lost. What do you say?
Okay, let me try. Excuse me. Can you help me? Where is Central Park?
Wonderful. That was perfect, Jake. You did all three steps.
Thank you. But Emily, what if the person answers me? I don't understand fast English.
That's a very good point. Many beginners worry about this. Here's a helpful phrase. Can you speak slowly, please?
Can you speak slowly, please?
Yes. This is very important. Don't be shy. It's okay to ask people to speak slowly.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Let's practice it together, everyone. Can you speak slowly, please?
Can you speak slowly, please?
Perfect. Now let's learn how to understand directions. When someone gives you directions, they might say, "Go straight."
Go straight. That means keep walking forward?
Exactly. Go straight means continue in the same direction. Don't turn left or right. Just walk forward.
Okay, go straight. Got it.
Let's practice. Everyone, say with us, "Go straight."
Go straight.
Great. Now, another common direction is turn left.
Turn left. So I go to the left side.
Yes, exactly. And the opposite is turn right.
Turn right. That's the right side.
Perfect. Let's practice both. First, say turn left.
Turn left.
Now say turn right.
Turn right.
Excellent. So now you know three directions. Go straight, turn left, turn right.
This is helpful. But Emile, how do I know how far to walk?
Good question. People often say, walk 2 blocks.
2 blocks? What's a block?
A block is the distance between two streets. In a city, buildings are organized in blocks. So 2 blocks means you pass two streets.
Oh, I see. So if someone says walk 3 blocks, I pass 3 streets.
Exactly right, Jake. You're learning fast.
Thank you. So, walk 2 blocks. Let me practice. Everyone say with me, walk 2 blocks.
Wonderful. Now let's learn a few more useful words. Sometimes people say, it's on your left.
It's on your left. So the place is on the left side.
Yes. Or they might say, it's on your right.
It's on your right. The place is on the right side.
Perfect. Let's practice, everyone. Say, it's on your left.
It's on your left.
Great job. Now, Jake, let me give you a full set of directions. Listen carefully.
Okay, I'm ready.
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. The subway station is on your right.
Okay, let me repeat. Go straight for 2 blocks. Turn left. The subway station is on my right.
Perfect! You understood everything.
Wow. I did it.
Yes, you did. Everyone, let's practice that again. Listen and repeat. Go straight for 2 blocks,
Go straight for 2 blocks.
then turn left.
Then turn left.
The subway station is on your right.
The subway station is on your right.
Excellent! Now you can understand basic directions in English.
This is so useful. But Emily, what if I still don't understand?
That's okay. You can say, I'm sorry, I don't understand.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Yes. Or you can say, can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
Perfect. These phrases are very important. Don't be afraid to use them.
Okay. I feel more confident now.
Good. Let's practice those 2 phrases. Everyone say, I'm sorry, I don't understand.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Now say, can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
Beautiful. Now, Jake, let's practice a full conversation. I'll be a person in New York, and you're lost. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, start.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Of course.
Where is Times Square?
Times Square? Okay. Go straight for 3 blocks, then turn right. It's on your left.
Can you speak slowly, please?
Sure. Go straight for 3 blocks, turn right. It's on your left.
Okay. Go straight 3 blocks. Turn right. It's on my left. Thank you.
You're welcome. That was excellent, Jake. You did a great job.
Thank you. I made some mistakes, but it's okay.
Mistakes are normal. They help you learn. The important thing is you tried.
Yes. And I understood the directions.
Exactly. Now, everyone, let's review what we learned today.
Yes. Let's review.
First, we learned how to get someone's attention. You say, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Then you ask for help. You say, can you help me?
Can you help me?
Good. Next, you ask where something is. You say, where is, and the place.
Where is the subway? Where is the museum?
Perfect. We also learned 3 directions. Go straight.
Go straight.
Wonderful. You now have all the tools you need to ask for directions in English.
Yes. I feel much better about getting lost now.
Ha 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 ha. That's great, Jake. Remember, everyone, practice makes perfect. Try using these phrases in real life.
Yes. Practice every day, even just a little bit.
Absolutely. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn.
Exactly. Making mistakes is okay.
Thank you, Jake. And a big thank you to all of you for listening to us today on Real English. We hope you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next episodes.
And please share this episode with your friends and family who are also learning English.
We have a question for you. Please leave a comment below and tell us, have you ever been lost in a city? What happened?
We'd love to read your answers. It's great to know more about our listeners.
Definitely. Thank you again, everyone. We'll see you next time.
Bye for now, and keep practicing.
Keep practicing. Bye!